If you're running any new version of Windows, whether it be 7, 8, 10, or 11, you're probably not running the best browser that you could be. Windows comes pre-installed with Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, depending on which version you have installed, and it's probably not the best browser. So let's take a look and see how we can install Google Chrome and Firefox, which are my two preferred browsers. So over here I am on a brand new install of Windows 10, and let's just go ahead and open up this Microsoft Edge here. And we will go ahead and navigate to google.com. Wait for it to load, and we will do a Google search for Google Chrome. The first link that pops up is our Google Chrome link. Go ahead and click on that. And we'll go ahead and click on where it says download Chrome. Alright, and now we've got our Google Chrome download started, and it looks like it's finished. So let's go ahead and click on that and open it up. We'll accept the UAC prompt by clicking yes, and it'll start installing Google Chrome. And once you have successfully installed Google Chrome, you should see a new Google Chrome browser window pop up just like this. That means we have successfully installed Google Chrome. And if you want to test it, all you have to do is just open up a new tab or change the URL and go to google.com. And it looks like we have installed Google Chrome perfectly fine, and it is working perfectly fine. Now that we've successfully installed Google Chrome, now let's go ahead and install Firefox. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open up our Microsoft Edge, change our current page to google.com, and once we've reached Google, we can go ahead and do a Google search for Firefox, just like that. And you'll see the first link, it says get Firefox for desktop. Let's go ahead and click on that link there. And you'll see a big blue button that says download Firefox. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you can see up here we've started to download Firefox. We'll wait for that to finish real quick. And once it's finished, we can go ahead and click on that as well. We'll go ahead and accept our UAC prompt by clicking yes. And we'll wait for Firefox to install. Once the installer window closes, you will have successfully installed Firefox. And you can go ahead, you can see that it's on our desktop here. And depending on the version, it might open up a Firefox window. So if you want to check to make sure your Firefox is working, you can just go to google.com. And you can see google.com has successfully loaded. So we have successfully installed both Google Chrome and Firefox. So that's how you can install both Google Chrome and Firefox. If you did like the video, make sure you slap a like on it, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.